Bagra, Mono Paile Hambai, Guest of Honor of the Mutuni, Tasting Sata, youngest MLA. So thank you very much, and it's a blessing that we have you here today. Sini Borong Nangpol Nangsu, Te Chini Logo Paimato Pekya, Mr. Sri Darlo, IAS, then Mr. Roland, Borong Pilai Hambai, Te Joto Hambai, all my dear friends. You know the Paimato Penero. Paikago, Alhamaya Panai. Since Shillong is a family domain. Bono Paipai Hambai. Alcoido Tiger, Borok or program success in Black Day. That's why lots of love, organization in Day. So Nero Saromaya. But Nero in Hamza, Roma is in Kakaya. Nero only accept Kakaya also. Oro Jeffro ano topic lupa. This is a chief speaker history of DSF. Ano kasinay? Teaching Bubang Sai Lanka since 1968. We're serving the student community. Sorry, I forgot our Naga brothers, our Gandhi brothers, Bodos from Assam. Thank you for coming. One of the welcome highlights in organization in Way. 1968 is me contribution. We are not a political organization. We have no backup. Oh. Our brand probably general secretary. Niro, friends are five and all the DSF contribution. How many of sitting there? We have many political party. Thangay ko po from college of Portugal. Kadang mo may form ka. Kumain ko. What means People's Federation? We are the one who guide our society, our students. People may not respect us in our jobs, but still then we are giving our best. We have no pay. We are jobless. As a president, as a general secretary, we cannot be government employed. If you are employed, we cannot speak the truth for our people, for our rights, for our students. Nero ka father ko ito mo. Nero responsibility issues to do ito. Jangan ibu mang. Apa sih benefit ni bagi ya? Nero ni bagi. DSF since 1968, 56 years. Tabok si Bororo, Lisa, Rignay, some Burirok, especially they are moving. This is also the contribution of DSF. Our High town of Sini Borok. Sari, Maka, why? So dominating up in community. At the time, DSF is the only organization. We raise the voice and fight against it. We believe this success is going to continue or moving on. ADC, that was the ADC government after the administration. How do we accept the contribution though? All countries the accepting history. So like you may all know we are called Bolongbro. They are getting a second we are Bolongbro. No, recently I got a book. But these are the case of Thailand. The other of Shillong, you all are blessed. You all are blessed. That you have come here. Your parents love you all and same here. 2 days back I traveled to Gondadisha. 5-year-old girl and just her sibling, they were sitting there also. Feel lucky you all are here. There is a reason we DSF want our students, our brothers and sisters to be in good position and to have good quality education. So try to. So in government power, but we can be the voice. Nirok farang manse. Amo nirok masina. Nirok Shillong masimi specialty is executive from nine. Shillong unit ni. Ang first na ko ni. Nirok Shillong masimi paye DSF involved tangbi. Back home paye ke. Nirok ni support sila. जों शिलं जरा फायै किसिम बगा सामाय जों फाथर थांगासिनो united back home with all the community student organization let it be Darlong, Kaipeng, Monsong, Riang, Tripura, Jamatia, everyone anggur no contact come जों थांसाके सामखायनाय student organization telephone बायगा student bagi sama kaya ni, but sini punsugun tribe based organization, amro punsugu, baksa religious based organization, jeung sama-sama borang rokai. Dini orang baksa sini kita mana, sini apa mana, but let me tell you my difference. Dini orang presiden yang TSF ni, jeung we are looking for our interest. After I left my college, ansakina kamu. But I also katini cini introduction cini first of all saka. Jeng siap cuma cini em life night. You can be anything. You can be anything, but don't forget your people. Love your people. So walk through. You can do if you are a teacher also you can serve your people. You can serve your people if you are a musician, sportman. No, they feel not only. Love your people, serve your people. But some poet hang. Kaja position hall kaya kaya poet hang. Baksa zeboro position kering pro ke TSF na mote mama. They will remember TSF. But when they are in good position, I'm talking context of Shillong, back home Tripura. So no pogi kang, but sambut hatiya. We are not doing for them, we are not doing for us, but we are doing for our students and our people. Angin apa poinnya? This Shillong is culture create here, not discriminating in terms of religion, tribes. Para kan hayang. Jadi menjadi suatu masa conference kita kasi group lain, non conference kita will be one group. Angger ngomong apa ni? As a student, we all are educated. Educate orang orang yang menjadi masuk kan ke. There is no use of education. Sempur apa sama guys? Boni bagai anggar roman kau ini. Zaman saat kita tahu kan bagai nirau orang yang pas itu itu para pelajar jangan feel itu do good for the people. Kamu mesti tahu kita. Ini orang dah sosok kaya, orang kaya sempurna kaya. Dah bahaya, ini program zaman semua cini kapur sal. Mungkin Tega program tahu na, borong bawa yang tak tahu, agar orang sangat bersyukur. Bukan zaman saat isi orang family kau bayar, borong semua supaya itu. Orang sanai, zaman saat sakit ni. Thank you. Ya, Zora berai, time is very short. Boleh saya sampaikan. Thank you for reminding me.